Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great this morning. I'm going to take and be cooking up some bacon I got from a buddy of mine. His name's AJ. He's down in South Texas. He runs Rusty Crusty Cast Iron. He restores, a lot of cast iron down there, and he also makes bacon and sausage. And I know his sausage is really good, but let's test out his bacon. We got a little visitor, and we got to keep her out of the bacon. So let's get started. All right, guys, got a few pieces laying in there. We're gonna kick some heat to it, and we're just gonna sit back and wait, let it cook. And once they release, we'll flip it over, see if we need to cook any on the other side, and then we'll do some eggs after that. All right, guys, it's starting to look pretty good now. We'll take and flip them over here in a few minutes, but nothing's sticking on this BSR Chef at all, so that's always a great thing. Alright guys, got it flipped over. We'll let it sit here for just a little bit, and then we'll cook some eggs in here. Alright guys, got them flipped over. Then I took and put a little bit of egg on my pepper, and they should just take a few more seconds and they'll be ready to put on the plate. Alright guys, we got everything done. One of my egg yolks decided to pop on me, but hey, that's all good. We'll try a piece of this bacon. Crisp it up pretty good. The one thing that you notice right off the bat is it does not taste like, the bacon that you buy in the store. There's a flavor that you don't get right off the bat. This tastes more, like, you can taste the freshness in it. You can taste the spices in it. Tastes really good. It's definitely got a great taste. It's thin cut, so it cooked really, really quick. And honestly, it's really, really good. I know his smoked sausage, he gave me one of those too. And that was a jalapeno one, and that thing was awesome. I didn't get a video on it because literally was trying to cook it for dinner or for lunch so I can get back to work real quick. But guys, I hope everybody has a great day. I'm gonna eat this down and then run to work, and hopefully we have a good day there, and hopefully this afternoon I get to work on some more cast iron. Y'all have a great one. Bye.